going to talk. So, guys, I have opportunity. Okay. Single Simon, sadly. What is that? Why is that single Simon, sadly? You talk to, you, you know, why you are single? Why you are single? At least you are not alone. More worse is you are single and alone. Anyway, I'm sorry. I'm saying that. Okay. Uh, you really want to have one? Just come to the Philippines and find one, Simon. Let's pray for that. Okay? God said, we need to ask. We need to ask and it will be given. We need to knock and it will be open. You know. So ask first, and what you are asking, you need to knock. Lord, is this door that I am knocking now will be given to me, the wife, you know. Been thinking about a trip to Philippines. Oh, only thinking it will not fulfill. But if you do the action, it might be fulfilled. Me and my husband, there's a lot of thinking in our marriage, you know. But if we are not doing action, oops, guys, I need to quiet because he is listening right now.